So the new topic is the stresses in weld joint, and we are going to see different types of stresses acting on a welded joint. First is the tensile stress. Stress is equal to load per unit area. Here also we have the same formula, that is F upon small h into L. H is equal to this and L is this, so it is shown here. Same thing for the transverse shear force. Formula will be same because load and area is same. Now the strength of fillet weld is usually calculated from the cross section of the weld. So fillet welds are classified according to the direction of load, that is parallel load and transverse load. So these loading conditions are important here. So for the parallel load, when a weld is subjected to a parallel load, shear stress are set up along a shear plane. So the shear plane lies at 45 degree to the weld face, and therefore the area resisting the external load is along the shear plane and is known as the throat area. So then the next is this is the parallel and this is the enlarged view of a weld. Okay, this is at the 45 angle degrees and this is the shear. Now the throat area in this case will be given by area is equal to T to L. T is small t, that is h cos of 45 degree. So it is 0.707 times h. The area is equal to 0.707 h into capital L. So tau is equal to F upon A. Area is 0.707 h into L. So in case of double fillet, what we can do? It will get increased. Area will get increased. So multiplied by 2. So 0.707 multiplied by 2 will get you 1.414 times h into L. So transferred load is what? In this the plane is 67.5 degree inclined. So for that condition you have to see this thing. So here the shear force is what? Sin upon 180 minus theta, which is equal to F upon sin of theta. So Fs is equal to F sin of theta. Based on this is the diagram here. So here force is there, here force is there, this is the h, thickness of weld, this is the h, and by solving these terms, okay, you can see this 180 minus theta which is put it here. By solving this term you can use this. So tau is equal to what? Fs by A, area is equal to T to L, S is equal to T dash cos theta, T dash sin of theta. By putting value we get this term. So T dash is equal to what? H upon cos of theta plus sin of theta. This is the fifth term. So and by solving this you will get this term, that is tau is equal to F sin theta cos theta plus sin theta upon H into L. Now again we are going to solve it with the help of this equation. You will get theta is equal to 67.5 degree. So here shear plane, the throat size will be what? T is equal to H upon cos of 67.5 plus sin of 67.5. So 0.765 times H. So this is the final equation which we get, that is a tau max is equal to this one. This is the value of tau max. Okay, this is how the stresses acting on the welding joint has been shown here.